people, they do the household chores, they do their daily activities on the regular basis. Still, we can't speak about it in English. So, I will be giving you 5 questions and you have to answer accordingly to talk about your daily routine. So, the first question: what time do you wake up? The second question: what is the first thing you do? The third is: what do you do in the daytime? Options may be work, study, or you love to stay at home. One habit you like or dislike. And the fourth is: what time do you sleep? I'll give you the example also. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. First answer. Second, you can say in the daytime, I teach English and work on my projects. It is for me. I'm telling you about myself. The third, I like talking to new people. Next one, you can say that I usually sleep at 11 p.m.
And these days I'm a enthusiastic learner of the language. And after joining your group, I'm quite confident. I In the morning I wake up around 6 o'clock on the right side of the bed, and I count the blessings. Okay. And after that I pay my gratitude towards the God for giving me the new day. And after that I freshen myself and go to the kitchen. And after that I prepare lunch for my children and wake them up for the school. When they go to the school, I just organize my home in a proper way. And after that I spend 2 to 3 hours quality time for myself, for my personal progress. And when I come back from the walk, I like to take tea, because it is my favorite time to having the tea. And again in the evening time I like to spend my time with my children for their studies. And after having the dinner I hit the sack around 11 or 11:30. So
Amazing. What a productive day. Next, we do Pramilaji. Pramilaji, how do you start your day? What is your basic daily routine?
I'm a retired teacher, so my routine is like very disciplined and systematic. So I usually wake up around 5, 5:30, and my day starts with morning affirmations. And after that, I do yoga and little light exercises and meditation. After that, I take a shower and offer morning prayers. And after that, I prepare lunch around 12, 12:30. I have some snacks, and after snacks, I prepared my dinner because I belong to Jain community, and we all used to have our dinner before sunset every day. So, and in this way, my day comes to an end, and I hit the sake around 10:30. So this is all about my daily routine. Thank you very much.
Wow. It sounds like a well planned day. Okay, we move to the little one now, Subrata Pathak.
Good evening, everyone. And I literally want to thank you, ma'am, for giving me such an opportunity, and even to my mother for suggesting my name here. And so I have to start with my introduction. So, my name is Shubrita Pathak. I am 11 years old and I study in class 5. And my favorite hobby is to dance and learn English. So, my daily routine is like I wake up at 6 a.m. The first thing I do is brush my teeth. Oh, one good habit of mine is waking up early. So, my daily routine includes about when I go to school, and after coming from the school, after 1 or half an hour, I just have to go to my tuition. So, after coming from my dance class, after 40 minutes, we have to just do our dinner, and then I go to my bed at 9:30 or like that.
Wow, a confident speaker. Okay.
Good evening, ma'am, and good evening, all my fellow learners. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity on your platform. And since I have joined your group, I have improved a lot. So usually I kick off my day at around 6 a.m. And first of all, I would like to share my first of all I share my gratitude towards God for giving me this a beautiful life and lovely cooperative family. Then after I perform my morning ablution. Then I prepare tea for my in-laws. After this, I step out of my home for morning walk along with my husband. Around 30 minutes I do this, and after coming back, I start reading. These days, I have incorporated the habit of reading. So I read aloud around 30 minutes every day. After that, I take shower and I enter my home puja room, where I spend 20-30 minutes. Then I prepare breakfast for everyone. Once breakfast is over, then I do some cleaning, dusting, organizing my like bedrooms. Around 6:30 again I offer my puja, and after that I 8 is my dinner time, so I prepare dinner. And so before hitting the sack, again I pay my gratitude towards God. This is how my day passes, with learning, gratitude, and discipline. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Wow, amazing. So next we move to Meenakshi.
So, ma'am, I usually kick off my day around 6:30. So, as soon as I wake up, first I count my breaths and practice meditation, because it helps me to stay calm and composed throughout the day. So, as I am a homemaker and I really love taking care of my family, and I work on my linguistic skills. So, learning is a part of my daily routine also. And I enjoy some cognitive activities with her also. Evening are always reserved for family. So, we enjoy dinner together, share about our routine, whatever we did entire day. Then we go for a short walk. So, finally, we hit the sack and call it a day and drift into a peaceful sleep.
So Rachna.
I wake up early in the morning around 6 a.m. and firstly I take warm water and then freshen up, and I go to the kitchen and I make tea, and after having tea I take shower, and then I prepare breakfast for my kids and husband also. And after serving a breakfast, then they go to school and office, and after that I do puja, and then I do some household chores, and I take breakfast also, and after taking breakfast I took some rest, and I check my WhatsApp mobile, and you also shared one topic daily, and there are so co-learners, they connect together and they describe that topic also, and training work, and then I and try to something learn, and I put on again my earphone, and simultaneously I do work my household chores, and at night I again I pray the God, and then I prepare dinner, and thank you ma'am for this opportunity.
Renu, quickly Renu.
Yes, I wake up early in the morning. It's like 5 a.m. in the morning. Right after that, I freshen up. It already takes me. It takes me around 1 hour, and then I just pray my offer. Means I just worship, and right after that, I rush to kitchen and prepare breakfast. And after my daughter, since my daughter is very young, that's why I just always get her ready for the school. After 1 o'clock, I close my shop. Then I again rush to my kitchen for preparing lunch. And by the time my daughter arrives, we have a lunch together. And after that, we just take a short nap. And at 4:30, I again open my shop, have our breakfast, sorry, have our dinner, and yes, and we together go to hit the sack at 10 o'clock. This is
a very wide topic actually.
Okay. Usually I wake up 6 a.m. but I start my my daily routine at around 6:30. After that, completing shower and puja, I go to the kitchen, prepare my tea and breakfast for ourselves. Then after that, I some take rest and doing productive thing and rejuvenate myself. On the teaching days, I go to the coaching room with my students. Go to the coaching room and with my students, I teach them with care and patience. And after that, I prepare lunch, and having lunch, I sometimes I practice with my co-learner friends, and sometimes I mug up my new vocabularies. And second half, I actually in evening usually same thing in my routine. I go to the coaching room and teach my students, and that after that I some break and having dinner. I talk with my daughters. They are outside of my Bengal, and finally I go to the bed, go to sleep at 11:30.
What a planned day. So this is the end of the session.